YouTube video topics. Hello, Tommy Olsson here. Maybe you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, or maybe you have a channel, but sometimes you have a lack of ideas what to do YouTube videos about. So in this video I'm going to give you 3 tips on how to find that ideas for your YouTube videos. If you want more tips like this and get notified about it, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and that little bell. Okay, so let's now get into this tip. The first tips I want to share with you is if you have a subscribers list and maybe you have asked them if they want to know more about a certain topic. That is one way to find ideas for your videos. Or maybe they have already asked you something that you want to learn more about or doesn't understand, and you can make videos about those questions and wonderings. But there is 2 sites I'm going to show you where you can find more inspiration to topics for your YouTube. One of these sites I'm going to show you is Warrior Forum at warriorforum.com, where you can sign up for free. It's one of the most popular and most famous forum for marketers, both newbies and more advanced marketers. And you can sign up just clicking here and filling out your details. I already have an account, so I'm going to log into that now to show you. You can go to the main internet marketing discussion forum here. I often visit that for ideas if I have a hard time coming up with something to do videos about. And you can also go to new posts. Just click here and see the latest post, or you can also search here for content. There are different questions here, and you can click any of them to find ideas of videos you're gonna do to answer these people's questions. Like this one, for instance, how the expired domain site works, and how to test simply the merit of an idea, or how to bulk upload products into Shopify stores. Find answers that your subscribers, YouTube subscribers would be interested in, something within your niche. And if you don't have a complete answer to the question, you can always do a research to find out more about that topic. So don't let that lack of knowledge stop you from making videos. But now we're going to go to another site. That site is called Google Trends. They have trends about everything that's going on now online. Popular trends about every topic, but you should do research. Search for the topic within your niche, for instance, marketing or make money online. And here are the biggest popular topics right now. Taylor Swift, World Cup in football, it's written in Swedish, sorry about that. And then we have football, American football. That's the biggest, most popular topics. But you can search your topics here, for instance, marketing. Then just hit enter. Oh, I misspelled it. Even if I misspelled it, they have statistics of it. I want to type it properly and to see what we find. Marketing. There we have it. Here you can choose what area of popularity this search term keywords to get statistic about that. This is for USA. Here it says the last 12 months, all categories and web search. So here you can see the timeline, 21st to 27. And you can click it. And part of a region that have an interest of that, you can see the marked here. New York search interest is up to 79. I think the most is 100, so there's some interest there, but I think you find more with another search term, maybe make money online. It's a very popular search term. Make money online, and then we hit interest over time. As you can see, it's pretty high here back in 5th to 11th of April last year. Although it's gone down a bit, it's still very popular. But you can enter any search term within your niche to find out if people are interested to know more about that. And it says here that this term doesn't have conclusive data, but still you can see statistics about it. And there are different regions with an interest for that term. Idaho, and then we have North Dakota has a very high interest, 93. And we have Missouri, 68. We have Louisiana, 93. And then we have West Virginia, have 100, very high there. And let's see here now. Florida have a search interest of 73. So this is the 3 ways you can find topics for your YouTube videos. I hope you like these tips, and I thank you for taking time to watch my video. And beneath this video there is a link to my #1 recommendation when it comes to making money online. Thanks for watching again, and have a great day. Bye bye.